All right, let's get started on our journey to feeling amazing, flexible, and relaxed in 2024. Do you want to feel incredible this year? How about being more flexible and calm in your daily life? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving into the world of yoga for flexibility and relaxation. Yoga is not just about striking a pose. It's a powerful tool that can transform your overall well-being. By practicing yoga, you can improve your flexibility, reduce stress levels, and release tension in your body. Now, let's address the common challenges many of us face: stress, lack of flexibility, and tension. These issues can take a toll on our physical and mental health, affecting our daily lives. But fret not, because yoga is here to rescue. Let's explore the wonders of yoga for flexibility and relaxation. We'll delve into various poses and techniques that can work wonders for your body and mind. From downward dog to child's pose, each asana offers unique benefits that can enhance your flexibility and promote deep relaxation. And here comes the key moment, the climax of our practice. Get ready to witness a series of yoga poses that focus on stretching and relaxation. Remember, it's not just about the pose. It's about maintaining proper form and syncing your movements with your breath. Let's flow gracefully through each posture, feeling the tension melt away. Start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your body. Simple stretches can awaken your muscles and set the tone for a deeper practice. Feel the connection between your breath and movement as you ease into this journey. Moving into the downward dog, feel the stretch in your hamstrings and calves. This pose elongates your spine and provides a full body stretch. Breathe deeply and let go of any stress you're holding on to. Next, transition into the child's pose. This asana is a moment of rest and reflection. As you fold forward, feel the soothing stretch along your back and shoulders. Embrace this gentle surrender and allow relaxation to wash over you. Now, let's flow into the cat-cow pose. This dynamic movement helps to warm up your spine and improve its flexibility. Inhale as you arch your back, exhale as you round it. Feel each vertebrae moving with fluidity and grace. The seated forward bend is a fantastic stretch for the hamstrings and lower back. Sit tall and with each exhale, fold a bit deeper. This pose not only stretches your body but also calms your mind. Transition into the butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. This pose opens up your hips and promotes relaxation. Breathe into any tightness you feel and let it dissolve. Proceed to the pigeon pose for a deeper hip stretch. This asana can release stored tension in your hips and lower back. Sink into the pose, and with each breath, feel the release of any discomfort. Shift into the bridge pose to open up your chest and strengthen your back. Lift your hips towards the sky, grounding through your feet. This pose energizes your body and promotes flexibility in your spine. Finish with the savasana, the ultimate relaxation pose. Lie on your back, let your arms and legs fall naturally, and close your eyes. Focus on your breath and allow your whole body to relax completely. As we wrap up our session, let's recap the incredible benefits of incorporating yoga into your routine. Flexibility, relaxation, stress relief. These are just a few of the gifts yoga has to offer. So, why not make yoga a part of your daily life and experience the positive changes it can bring? Lastly, I want to invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing yoga content. Don't forget to drop a comment sharing your favorite poses or your experiences with yoga. Let's build a community of like-minded individuals on a journey to wellness together. Thank you for joining me today on this yoga adventure. Remember, with dedication and practice, you can feel amazing, flexible, and relaxed in 2024. See you on the mat.